All right, let's talk about the future, specifically your future, and how to build a career that's ready for an AI-powered world. We're going to walk through Google's new platform for building skills that are seriously in demand. So let's just dive right in.
I mean, this is the big question, isn't it? Technology is moving so fast, it's kind of hard to know where to even start. What skills should you be investing your time in? It's a huge decision. But don't worry, we're going to explore a really clear path to help you figure it all out.
And this right here, this quote from Google, really drives the point home. AI isn't some sci-fi thing way off in the distance. Nope, it's here, right now, and it's changing everything. So the main takeaway, getting your hands dirty with this tech isn't really optional anymore.
Okay, so if AI is the new reality, how do you even begin to navigate it? Well, think of Google as your guide here. They've been innovating in this space for more than 10 years. So they're not just teaching you theory from a book, they're teaching from real-world, hands-on experience. And that's really the core of it, you know? This isn't some secondhand summary. You're actually learning directly from the people who are building the AI tools that, let's be honest, we all use every single day. You're getting it straight from the source. So what can you actually learn? We're talking about real, practical skills that companies are desperate for. You can get hands-on with stuff like Vertex AI, that's Google's platform for building machine learning models. You can explore incredible models like Gemini, and you can master essential skills like prompt design. These are the things that will make your resume stand out.
And here's something else that's really important. You don't have to do this alone. Learning can feel isolating sometimes, right? Well, this whole platform is built around the idea of community. So you're learning with other developers, not just by yourself in a corner.
And get this, to make sure that community has what it needs to really learn, the Google Cloud Innovators program gives you 35 monthly credits, and that's at no cost. This isn't just for watching videos. It's a real budget for you to go in, experiment, and build stuff in the actual Google Cloud console. It shows they're serious about you getting practical experience. Which brings us to a super important point. It's not just about what you learn, it's about how you learn it. And there's some pretty powerful data that shows why their method, focusing on instructor-led, hands-on labs, is just so much more effective. I mean, just look at these numbers. When you're learning hands-on with an instructor, the completion rate is a massive 90%. Plus, 77% of learners say they just flat out prefer it. And for companies, it can boost employee retention by 133%. The numbers don't lie. Doing is way better than just watching. Okay, so you're learning all these amazing new skills. That's awesome. But how do you prove it to someone, like a potential employer? Well, that's where the credentialing system comes in. It's a clear, step-by-step path to validate what you know.
And that's the whole point, right? To take the guesswork out of it. You're not just collecting random skills. You're following a specific path that connects what you're learning directly to your career goals. It's about future-proofing yourself.
So let's break down that journey. It starts with skill badges. Think of these as proof that you can do a specific, practical task. Then you've got certificates, which are designed to help you launch a whole new career path. And at the top, you have certifications, which are industry-recognized ways to prove you're an expert. It's a ladder, and you can climb it one step at a time. So let's just quickly look at the difference between the start and the end of that journey. A skill badge shows you've done a series of courses and you can do a hands-on task. A certification, though, that validates a whole body of knowledge with a formal proctored exam. They're both super valuable, just for different things. And I really want to zoom in on that middle step for a second, the career certificates. This is such a fantastic feature because it's meant to be an entry point. There are 0 prerequisites. That's huge. It means anyone, and I mean anyone, can use this to pivot or start a brand new career in tech. So, we've talked about the what, the why, and the how. You've seen the skills you can learn, the data that proves the learning method works, and the clear path to get credentials. Now, it's all about taking that next step.
So let's just wrap it all up. What you're getting here is a whole toolkit for your career. You get access to the AI skills everyone wants, a hands-on learning method that's proven to work, a community to support you, and a clear path to credentials that prove what you know. It's basically the whole shebang.
You know, this quote really says it all. I love the urgency here. The future isn't something that just happens to you, it's something you get to build. And the tools you need to get started are right here, right now.
And that really leaves us with the most important question of all. This isn't just about learning stuff. It's about what you do with it. With all these tools, this community, and this knowledge at your fingertips, what will you build?